Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini adalah pertemuan kita yang kedua ya, kalau tidak salah. In listening one. Okay, so I will read what is Islam. This title is What is Islam, and later I will give you question in Edmodo. And then so the question as usually always at Edmodo. Okay, so make sure you have Edmodo account. This is same like this. I won't give you in Zoom, but in Zoom you always know signal or the speak atau suaranya biasanya kurang jelas ya. Jadi saya baca langsung saja. What is Islam? Islam is founded on the religion of the one supreme God, a religion which necessarily lead to be observance of certain fundamental aids. They are elaborated further by the religion. The following fundamental are basic to Islam and provide a sound overview of the religion. Okay, so Islam have six ya, rukun iman ini yang kita akan bahas. Okay, iman or faith. The literal meaning of iman is to believe in or to have faith in something. That is to accept Islam with conviction. This deep faith is attainable through real Islam alone. Hence, it would be proper to say that faith is a discovery and that there is no discovery greater than the discovery of God. 2. Islam. Surrender to God. Islam means to submit or to surrender with a full religion of God. Man abandon his ego, his freedom, and surrender himself before God completely. In all matter of life, he obeys God's commandments. He begins to lead a restrained life instead of a permissive one. This is what is called Islam. Okay, 3. Zikr or remembrance. Zikr means to remember. In Islamic terminology, it means to remember God. When man discovers God, the Creator Almighty, who will reward us well as punish for our good and bad deeds, it is inevitable that the truth of God comes to dominate one's mind. At all times and in all situations, one remembers God. This remembrance is known as zikr. When a person has reached this state, this is a sure indication that he has found God with all his attributes. Okay, I replace. When a person has reached this state, this is a sure indication then that he has found God with all his attributes. Salat or prayer. Salat means prayer. It forms the most important part of Islam worship. It is obligatory for a Muslim to offer prayer 5 times a day. Besides this, nafil, voluntary prayer, may be said at other times. The spirit of Salah is khusus, which means submission. Salat is intended to inculcate a deep sense of submission in a believer, which is expressed externally by his physical bowing in the posture of ruku and sajdah. Okay, swam, fasting. The literal meaning of swam is abstinence. Swam is same like fasting ya, berpuasa. Swam is a form of worship which has to be observed annually in the month of Ramadan. The outward form of Swam is abstinence from eating and drinking from morning till sunset. The inner state of swams is the renunciation of all things that God has forbidden, directly or indirectly. When a man fasts, observing all these aspects for fasting, spirituality is produced within him. He comes to experience closeness with God. Zakat, almsgiving. Zakat means purity. This means that a man purifies his earnings by giving away one part of them in the path of God. In this way, zakat awakens the sense in man not to consider his earning as his own possession, but a gift of God. Zakat is, in essence, a practical acknowledgement of God's bounties, that, and this admission is no doubt the greatest form of worship. Hajj, pilgrimage. Okay, Hajj is pilgrimage. Okay, Hajj means pilgrimage. That is visiting sacred place in Hijaz in the month of Zulhijjah in order to perform the annual worship of Hajj required of a believer once in a lifetime. Hajj is a symbol of Islamic unity. It is through Hajj that interaction takes place between Muslims on an international scale. Then it also through Hajj that Muslims from all over the world are reminded of Abraham's sacrifice on the pilgrimage day, also within the historical place associated with the Prophet of Islam. In this way, they return with a long-lasting inspiration which continues to activate them to adhere to the path of God through their life. Okay, next. 8. Dakwah. Invocation. Dakwah means to call, to invite. A Muslim who has received the message of God must do his utmost to communicate this message to other human beings. This da'wah work in its nature is a prophetic task. The more one follow the way of the prophet in the performance of this task, the greater the reward one will receive for it. Okay, 9. Jihad, struggle. The literal meaning of jihad is to strive or to strangle. In the present world, most of the time one has to work for Islam in adverse circumstances. In such circumstances, working for religion through struggle and sacrifice is called jihad. This jihad involves struggling with one's own self as well, struggling to communicate the word of God to others is also jihad. In a similar way, when any power commits aggression against Islam, then at that moment, rising in defense against the power too is jihad. Sharp, patience. Sharp means patience. For example, restraining oneself from any adverse reaction when faced with an unpleasant situation. On all such occasions, one must be able to offer a positive response instead of a negative one. This is essential. For in this present world, unpleasant events set in motion by others have to be faced time and again. If one is invariably provoked on such occasion and react negatively, the desired personality will not develop in one. All the teaching of religion require a positive psychology. Therefore, one who loves patience will be able neither to imbibe religious instruction nor to pass it on others. Okay, this is any difficult vocab. Fundamental is dasar, instruction is ajaran. Occasion, kesempatan, struggle, perjuangan, patience, kesabaran, face, yang dihadapi, message, pesan, aggression, agresi atau serbuan, essential, dasar. Okay, I will give you a question in Edmodo, so now we will meet at Edmodo. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.